Hello students, welcome back to KVRA Academy online study channel. Myself Ramas Ismaria, your math teacher. Today I will tell you how to solve the given pairs of equation by graph method. Graphically, we are going to solve graphically the equation. Here I have taken one example. There is first equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and second equation is x minus 2y is equal to 8. So now we are going to solve it. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 or 3y is equal to 2 minus 2x after transportation, or y is equal to 2 minus 2x upon 3. We will make a table here for the value, it is x and y. Now we will put any value of x in this equation. So suppose we are going to put 1 in place of x. So here x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2 minus 2 into 1 upon 3. 2 minus 2, it will become 0, means y is equal to 0. So if we put x is equal to 1, then we will find y is equal to 0. Again we will put some another value, like we will put x is equal to 0. No, we need to find some whole number, not the rational number. So we will put y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. So here x is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2 upon 3. It will become 2 to 4. So 2 plus 4 upon 3. It will be 6 upon 3 means 2. So it will become y is equal to 2. Again we will solve second equation. X minus 2y is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 plus 2y. For this also we will make another chart, another table. Here x and y. This time we have equated as x is equal to 8 plus 2y. So we will put the value of y. So x is equal to 8 plus, we will put y is equal to 0. So here 0, 2 into 0. So x is equal to 8. I will solve here only because we need to draw a graph here. So again x is, suppose now we are going to put y is equal to minus 2. So for y is equal to 0, x is equal to 8, and here x is equal to 8 plus 2 into minus 2. So x is equal to 8 minus 4. So x is equal to 4. So here we will put 4. Now we are going to make a graph here. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is x coordinate, x dash, here y and y dash. Here also we will mark it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side also. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Now we will plot the given coordinates in this graph. So when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 0. It means it will represent this point. Again, if x is equal to -2, then y is equal to 2. Means x is equal to -2 this side and y is equal to 2 here. So it will be here -2 and 2. This one is 1, 0. Again this one we will plot here. When x is equal to 8, then y is equal to 0. So it will be here 8, 0. And when x is equal to 4, then y is equal to -2. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -2. So it will be here. Now first of all we will join these 2 points to form a line. This will go like this one. Again we will join these points. So it will make here. The both lines intersect at 4, -2. 4, -2. So this is the solution of the equation. Means x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -2. I would like to repeat once again. First of all, you will have to find the value of x and y by putting any value of x or y in the equation. For example, first I put here 1, so we get the value of y is equal to 0. Again we put -2, that time we got the value of y is equal to 2. For second equation also, we put the value of y as 0, so we got the value of x is equal to 8, and when we put y is equal to -2, we get the value of x is equal to 4. So we will plot these coordinates in the coordinate geometry, and here we will make the lines by joining the coordinates. For first equation our line is this one, and for second equation our line is this one. When the line intersect on which point, that is the solution of the both equations. So both lines intersect at 4, -2. So this is the solution of both equations. That's all. Thank you.